squinty?
I've just got glasses, so I'm always squinty.
Oh.
Everything is always very far away.
You might offend some people with glasses there, you know that.
You can't offend someone if you've got glasses yourself. I'm not saying, oh, all people have got. Oh, that was close. That was really close. I offended. Maybe it's the phone.
Almost dropped the phone. Anyway, guys, welcome. We're straight up with the nonsense today.
Yeah.
Where's the car? This is the car.
There's some.
We are wrapping up a few bits and pieces of the Pulsar, so we're going to fix that button. So for the fog light,
Yeah.
we're going to try and do the windscreen washer, and I think that is actually it, isn't it? Really?
Yeah, there's not much to do today.
Yeah.
It's just some wiry bits.
Yeah, but people, because I released the video last night about the fog light, and people were like, no, it is actually interesting, because people in the States are like, why do you need that? I'm like, well, fucking no.
You don't actually have to have a fog light hanging from the bottom of the car like Nate's got. A lot of Japanese cars do have that in the UK because it's an easy add-on and it's not very expensive. How much was that kit?
£12.
Exactly, so it's not very expensive. But
12 is like $15.
a neater way of doing it, which we could look at in the future to make the bumper look factory again, is change one of the reverse lights into a fog light. So you rewire one of the, because a lot of cars have two white lights and you just don't need both.
True.
So that's another thing for the future.
True, but then you wouldn't have the switch on it. Oh no, you do.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, what an idiot.
Yeah, that's what. It
Anyway, so what we're going to do, we're going to change the button for the Pulsar fog light today, and hopefully do the windscreen washer.
Hello. Oh.
Good, aren't they?
What?
No, you put them in first,
Oh.
and you shrink wrap it down. What's wrong with that?
I've never seen that before.
You haven't seen much.
So, which ones do you use? The biggest ones? I'm guessing it's the biggest ones.
Yes, yeah, it'd be the biggest ones.
Oh.
Nick is amazed by electrical connectors.
Yeah.
What's wrong with it?
These aren't crimp connectors, mate.
What do you mean? They're the same as what's on there.
They're not. These aren't crimp connectors.
Okay, well we can still use them, can't we? Just squish it down, pair of pliers.
Yeah. Have you
Just
got
needs
a
to make a
hairdryer?
connection. Yeah, well I've got a
Heat gun?
gas lighter.
Oh yeah, lighter would work.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
Anyway, guys, now Nick tells me that these are the wrong ones, so
I didn't know you'd bought these.
that's fantastic. I mean, it doesn't really matter, as long as it makes a contact.
Yeah, they
It's
won't
not a
work.
big deal.
Okay.
It's all right, pair of pliers, mate. Cool. I'll go get the lighter then. So, Nick, review the mats. What do you think to the mats?
So I like Steve better.
That
That's fucking awful, wasn't it?
That-
I really should stop doing
was actually
Just
atrocious.
stop asking me questions. Just stop
Yeah.
me to do things. I like them
Yeah.
a lot, but I would like them because they're pretty much identical to what I've got in the GTR.
True.
Otherwise,
True. Yeah, true.
it's,
But have you seen
nice
this
back
weird
there.
one? With this weird one in the middle.
Yeah, the middle one's a Nissan one. So you get those in Skylines as well, like that.
It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really cool though.
Yeah, I guess so.
It just stops the your gearbox tunnel getting all manky.
True. Very
It's
true.
not manky now anyway since we cleaned it so well.
No, it's not. So, what are we doing?
Well, I'm going to be fighting some connectors by the looks of it, but this little button here is our temporary button that came with the kit that you ordered. It's a little round guy.
You got the new one.
And the new
Or
one,
the old one.
the old one, old new.
But it actually just fits in there.
Exactly the same. It's where it actually came out of that hole. Don't even know if the button works, do we? That's going to be fun.
Oh.
Yeah. So we'll try that. 'Cause
True.
If it doesn't, we're going to be doing 6 of these connectors. If it does, we've got 3.
Well, we've got enough, haven't we? So.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to be doing today, and then we'll set to work on getting this tiny little washer bottle on the go. Right, we've done it.
Just start off with heavy breathing into
Yeah. All right, so
that's good.
So-
Right, I'll go around the back. That's on.
is it?
Yeah, that's off.
Ah,
There we go.
bloody hell! Something that was easy that we didn't shit the bed on.
I'm basically an electrician.
Right, well that's good. Onwards now to the washer bottle.
Which I can also do because I'm an electrician.
You guys don't know what I've got to deal with Nick.
Oh, hang
No,
on.
it's the green
Hang on.
one. That's
Hang
the
on.
green one.
There's a little violin somewhere in. Oh, there it
Little
is.
violin?
There's the violin. It's tiny though.
Is
Can
it?
you see it
No.
playing just for
Can you? Oh no, wait! I can see it. I can see it.
Right.
Yeah, it's just 2 wires, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's just which is which, as opposed to which is which on this one. I just want to figure it out. Because I'm an electrician.
I've got to stop making that noise.
I'd say it's more that one. Only because if you look at the orientation of these 2 connectors, they do match up almost perfectly to what that would have been. I know this isn't the right plug for it.
All right.
But then that one's, they're both flat.
I think I might even have the old one in there.
Yeah, so I'm just wondering if there is one with a black one.
Oh, god damn it. Fun fact, that's the same one from the Skyline. You know that, don't you?
Yep.
I do not have it in here, no. Never mind.
Out of the Skyline as well.
Hey?
Filter system's out of the Skyline.
Oh,
The
right.
How that pops up.
What are we going to do then?
I think it's this one.
Fine.
It's the only one way to find out. You're not going to use, if one works, you're not going to use it, are you? So
Yeah, it's really not a big deal. So basically, guys, what we're doing is, this actually came with the car, like, but we have to have windscreen washers.
It was worth buying the car just for that, wasn't it? Bargain.
Absolutely. Like, yeah, to buy a car, buy a windscreen washer, get a free car.
Yeah.
So this came with the car because we have to have windscreen washers anyway. That's not why this came with the car. I don't know why this came with the car. A whole bunch of parts came with the car. This was in the boot of Mystery that everyone wanted to see, but I unfortunately unpacked. But because the bigger one doesn't actually fit, because it's supposed to actually go down, it's a bumper one, isn't it?
Yeah, so it's where all the intercooler piping now is.
It is ginormous. So we've got this one. I found it in my Mystery parts, and we're going to just try and wire it up, basically, just so at least we can have, well, I can have, because my car, I keep saying we, so I can have front windscreen washers, and obviously pass the MOT.
It's a cool little thing. Right.
That's cool, I think.
No, I like that tool. Just strips cables.
There you go, ladies and gents. Nick, he likes that tool. Also, side note, guys, if you stayed this long, I have a PO. Shush. I have a PO box, which is actually in the description box now. If you guys do want to send anything for both me and Nick, car parts, Hot Wheels cars, whatever. I got it from my main channel, but you'll find it in the description box as well here, because why not?
Can you not talk without it? How about some like noise defenders?
I know.
Ear defenders.
Every time I come to talk, some
Hi everyone.
dickhead walks past. Every time. Or the train. Or just every time without failure.
Yep, nuclear bomb.
Every time. Yeah, that's happened.
Me farting.
Yeah, that has happened as well. Yeah.
That's a feather.
Hmm.
There's a feather stuck in there. I hate this.
Fantastic.
I hate these stupid clips.
Why'd you keep dropping them?
You can't hold. I haven't got 3 arms.
Well, ask me to do something then.
Nah, it's too tight in here for you, mate.
It's not.
You have to do all 3 at once. There you go. Stupid clips. Stupid. There we go.
They're not stupid.
They are. They're stupid.
They're not.
Whoever invented them, no. You're a bad person.
I should go through the reception now.
Well, yeah, you probably
We
should.
can't test it.
Probably put some water in the water bottle. Although, hang on, don't go away yet. Don't go away, because. Oh, well, I was going to say this. I just want to make sure that this, with the rubbery thing, fits on between both those, but it fell off. So.
Alright, I'm going now.
Yeah, bye.
Right, so what we've done, we've had to wire it up. Can you lift it up a little bit more? Sort of show them. So.
It's very heavy.
It's there's like a bottom feed that feeds into the pump.
This little guy, you can't see.
Yeah. No, they can't see. Anyway, little bottom feed that feeds into the pump, which then feeds into the feed, which then obviously squirts the washers. Because the wiring works, the pump actually does work, but we've not been able to get anything out yet because we stupidly just thought that this bottom thing was for another one.
Because a lot of washer bottles have the pump built into the bottle, so it feeds itself from gravity. But what it looks like this is doing, it is gravity fed, but the pump is external to the bottle, so the bottle's a completely sealed unit. It's hard to tell.
Yeah.
It looks like there's a little bracket you can just see where my finger is.
Yep.
And then that's the pump just sat there. So we've got the outlet.
Yeah.
And then this, you can't quite see it because it's so dirty, but inlet.
I can see it.
Yeah.
So I'm going to give this over to Nick now whilst I sit in the car and see if we got washer jets ordered now. Right.
Washer jets. What are you looking for? Car keys?
best place for them?
Except for if you lock them in there. It's making noises.
Let me see if it's the rear.
No, it's not even activating the rears, mate. So that's definitely the pump for the front. No. I'm wondering if it's round the wrong way. The top's the feed and the bottom's the back's the outlet. It could just.
Can you have a look? You'll be able to see if it's drawing it.
Go on. No.
Right, so we'll go around the wrong way then.
Yeah, I'd say so.
That's fine.
All right.
Right, well, we've fudged it all out. We've stopped them around the other way now.
Hang on. If this works, that means you got this round the wrong way the first time.
What do you mean?
This is the suspension version of a windscreen.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Anyway, there you go, you hold that. see,
Oh, nonsense.
watch them draw it.
Right.
Go on. Yeah, there you go. It is definitely trying. Maybe it's not strong enough. You see the bubbles. No. Well, every time you do it, it creates pressure. No. Yeah, so there's some. So we have figured out that we've got not the pipes around the wrong way.
Go widescreen. Oh, you are widescreen.
Yeah. Why? Because that's just because you're widescreen.
No.
Just. So we've got the cables around the wrong way, the actual positive and negatives. There's always something that's around the wrong way.
So what we're going to do now, we've changed this pipe back round.
So we've got this is the pipe that I was talking about earlier on that feeds potentially the little pump.
So we don't actually know what we're going to do. I'm going to
hold the
record
camera.
it. I'm going to get Nick just to click it and just see whether it actually does anything or not.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that was a little water fountain. Hopefully it works now.
Hopefully. So we're going to attach the black lead now, which should be the feed.
Is this Kew Gardens?
It is, isn't it? Yeah. It's just a water feature, mate. So you got to be careful of the pump as well.
Right. So,
Oh, okay, yeah. All right, well, yeah, let's just do it. Yeah, that's fine. Let's just do it. Let's have a look, see if this works. Oh, that bloody nightmare. Everything's too easy. Yes!
Wet in my mouth.
Careful.
Wet in my mouth.
What was that? Yay!
Yeah, there you go.
Excellent. So that's cool, because that's one more thing, or one less thing to worry about now for
two less
for
things.
yeah, for an MOT. Just need to get
Find
a
the
cap.
cap.
Get a cap for it, yeah. Epic? No.
Ah,
Doesn't.
oh, that's disappeared now.
Great, good times. Well, that's good. Happy with that. You still actually need to find a place to put this, though.
Well, it's much smaller, so there's loads of places we can put it. So it's just.
No, there's not, because you can only literally put it
We'll
here.
shove it down there. It's not going to go anywhere for now. We can
Alright.
always rewire it so the wire is longer and we put new hose on it if we have to.
Might. No.
What, are you thinking it fell down onto the wheel?
No. Thinking about where to put this. We need to wrap this video up because we've got something new coming, haven't we?
Well,
I have. This is my palette. So, what does everyone need to do? Like, comment, share. Come on,
like,
come on.
comment, subscribe, share, all the YouTube stuff that I always forget because
Thank you so much.
I'm an electrician.
Do your thing.
Love you, bye.